Molded by it. Forged in fire. A one-of-one weapon from Black Ops Customs. Brutal, calculated, unstoppable. Matte black muscle, every line engineered with purpose. Exhausts curve like fangs, breathing fire beneath the steel. A glowing halo up front, not to guide, but to warn. This is more than brute force. It's intelligence in motion. Precision masked as chaos. A force for fear. A force for domination. It doesn't chase. It hunts. It outsmarts. Then it overpowers. No mercy. Turn the key and let the city fall behind. The Bane by Black Ops Customs.